Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Texas Chainsaw Massacre. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre stands as a pivotal horror masterpiece that indelibly shaped the genre. Released in 1974, its raw and unrelenting terror revolutionized horror filmmaking by introducing a gritty, documentary-style approach that heightened the sense of dread. This movie just looks like it smells like a homeless man's sweaty ballsack.
Smells like Bigfoot's dick!
The deranged family, led by the iconic Leatherface, redefined horror antagonists, blending the grotesque with a chilling realism. There is honestly nothing more terrifying than imaging yourself being put into this situation. The film's impact on horror cinema remains undeniable,
Oh my God!
influencing generations of filmmakers and cementing its legacy as a genre-defining classic. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre is a chilling pick for Halloween enthusiasts seeking an intense scare.
Sally, I hear something. Stop! Stop!
Its gritty, unpolished style creates an atmosphere of dread, perfect for the eerie ambiance of the season. The relentless pursuit by Leatherface and his twisted family delivers a visceral and unforgettable horror experience, making it an ideal choice for a hair-raising Halloween movie night that captures the essence of terror. The remake with Jessica Biel is pretty good too.
She got a great ass!